Hello everyone. Today we'll start the demonstration for BondPOS Grocery Gold Plan. So we have already seen the demonstration for the Silver Plan and the Bronze Plan. So we'll start with the Gold Plan. So what you will do is you will go to the admin panel and you'll choose Change Plan. In the Change Plan, you can click on Pay Now. Once you click on Pay Now, you will go to the website, BondPOS website. You can choose the right plan from there, and once you have made the payment for the plan, for the gold plan, you will come back to this particular screen and you'll say get confirmation. So once your payment has already been applied for the gold plan, it will say plan upgraded successfully. So how this works is your same email ID, when you are making the payment on the site, you have to use the same email ID. So using your email ID as your unique ID, it will upgrade the plan and it says plan upgraded successfully. So again, if you want to change the credentials of user ID and password for admin or POS, you can do that. Else you can submit this and credentials are applied. The software will restart again. Once the software restarts again in admin panel, you will put the password and you will see that now you have more features in the admin panel. For example, here in the document master, we created the document, but now you can actually create the employee also. You can create an employee wherein you can say employee's shift, you can put the name. So complete HRM, human resource management, is integrated into the gold plan. So once you upgrade to the gold plan, you can create all the employees, put their designation, base salary, PF, ESI, HRA, and you can put the username, password, the picture of the employee, and here you can put the driver's license or resume of the employee, and you can save it. You have category and subcategory master, same as before. You have product. Now you have the recipe master. Just in case you are selling a sandwich in a grocery store, or you are selling a pizza in a grocery store, or you are selling something which needs 2 or 3 ingredients, to prepare, and then you are selling it. So you can create a recipe for every single product. Here, what we have is called a suggestive sale master. This is something very, very powerful and very important tool. So let's say if you are in a bakery and you are selling, let's say a white bread. Okay, so what you can say is, I want to do beverage and I want to sell a Pepsi along with the white bread. So you can save that and create. If somebody is buying a fruit, for example, mango, and you want to sell something with mango, that we have a deal going on and we want to give you a special deal, like if you buy a mango, you buy a banana. You can add 2 or 3 products in, for example, for banana, you can say, I want to do category 4, and you want to add a product from category 4. You want to add a product number 9. So you can do different products. You do banana again, go to banana and do fruits, banana, and you want to sell with banana, you want to sell mango also, or you want to sell a product number 7, save. So you can do suggestive selling. Here we have bank master and you have the print barcode. So now if you want to print a barcode for any product, let's say we have any product here, category, subcategory, and menu name. We have a Pepsi, for example, and we want to create the label for Pepsi. So you can create, you have to put the quantity, how many labels you want to print. You want to print 10 labels on A4 paper or single roll or double print. So you have to choose. If you want to do a single roll, you can choose a single roll, and you can print help labels. You can view from here. Where is Pepsi? 10, single row, and print. Oh, here you can view the products actually. Sorry, I was doing something wrong. Here you can view the product. So this way you can actually print your demo store. So this is how you will see label, demo store, barcode, product name, product price. You can take this label and put it on the product, any product. So it's a very important tool where you can do this thing. Here the view button I was clicking was wrong. If you want to go to fruits and you want to choose a subcategory and you want to view the products for that category only, that is what you need to do. So let's say if you want to put a barcode, you want to put 10 barcodes for mango, and you have a inkjet printer and you buy a stickers from a shop, you know, you don't have to actually or you want to print 20 on a sheet and you say print, so it will print 20 sheets on one page, just a normal inkjet printer. So you can do that also. Print it on an inkjet printer, and you can put it on any kind of, you know, printer if you like to. So this is another feature that we have in the Gold plan. In the transactions, now we have vendor payment. So in the vendor management, if you go back and you see what is the outstanding payment for a vendor, so we have demo vendor, and you see how many PO he has. So we actually didn't create an invoice for that. So if we have created an invoice, you can see the invoice number, PO which is outstanding. You can do check or cash, and here we selected the bank, demo bank we had created. So you can make the payment to the vendor from here. So here you see the current stock like before. So you can see what stock you have. Something is in minus, that means you have already sold it, but you have not entered the product into the system. Here is the admin panel. You have same features in the admin panel. You have product import and you know, all those features. Here is the report. Now you have the reports here also. You have a lot of reports: summary, sale report, vendor wise, purchase reports, vendor payment report, how much money you owe in the market, you know, you have to pay to the vendors, GST input output report, PO close report, how many POs you have already closed. So you can see a lot of reports here on this particular screen. So this is all that you have, the new features that you have in the Gold plan. And now we will go and see how and what we can do in the POS. POS is pretty much the same. There is no change in the point of sale software from gold to the silver, from silver to the gold, I mean. So you have the same product, same categories, same subcategories, you have the same features here. So there is not much difference in the point of sale. You continue to use the point of sale software, POS software, just like before. But now what you have is, you have a feature called upselling, the suggestive selling. So what happens is, if you choose a product, let's say you have a customer, you already have a customer, you put the telephone number and you say okay. So customer is there. You want to sell mango. So mango you want to sell 2 kg or 2.3 kg in the weighing scale. You do okay. So it pops up a screen, says suggested selling. So you can say, sir, we have a special deal going on banana. I can give you as a combo deal or as a package deal, I can give you banana, you know, for this, or anything, you know, for that matter. So mango, and you sold banana as an upselling product. So it says plus. Sometimes you are selling, the product and you want to sell a bag with it. Do you want a carry bag? So no, so you can add a carry bag into that. So similarly, you can add a lot of products in the upselling category. So you can do this kind of upselling here. So if you click banana and you do let's say point 0.9 zero point 0.9 kg banana. So it'll ask you two products upselling. So you want to buy a handbag, you want to buy, home delivery or anything, any feature. So you can add that feature from here, and you can close the screen. So banana plus this. So this is what happens now. You have a upselling product here, and you can go to send order, and you can choose whatever mode of payment you want. If you want Paytm, so we have Paytm already integrated into the software. You just need to enter the telephone number and proceed. Once the customer gets OTP, you enter the OTP here and you click on proceed, so the payment goes to your bank account directly or your Paytm account. So Paytm is built into the software. You don't need a barcode, that QR scanner, and this and that. So this is how you have all the features for the gold plan. So this is what it is. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, any queries, please do not hesitate to send us an email at support@bondpos.com.